आदिल हुसैन आखून। मैं इधर रखियारत में रहता हूँ, इससे पहले मैं डल में रहता था, रैना वाली साइड की फैसिलिटी अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है। ये मैं देख रहा हूँ 5 साल से इसका हालत ऐसी है, ये स्लो मोशन में इसका काम चल रहा है।
Rakhiarat, located in Bemna on the outskirts of Srinagar, was an ambitious relocation project spearheaded by Land and Waterworks Development Authority to rid Dal Lake of its encroachment problem. Many families were made to relocate here in a phased manner with a promise for better life and opportunities. The settlement was meant to offer primary healthcare, education, and recreational facilities, and quality housing in exchange for their lands on the lake. But in reality, this forgotten piece of land reeks with non-existence of basic amenities, and its only hospital began construction recently after its residents made several rounds to the LODA office. I'm right now at Rakhiart and currently standing outside the hospital, which has supposedly been finished construction, but it's only the structure that looks like it's complete.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद अकबर खान। आई लिव इन रखियार बिमना। हम यहाँ काफ़ी सालों से रह रहे हैं, 5 साल हो हमें यहाँ पे रहते हुए। हमारा फैसिलिटी जो हस्पताल बन रहा है हमारे सामने, ये जो आप देख रहे हो हस्पताल बन रहा है, इसकी कुछ फैसिलिटी नहीं है। यह हस्पताल ने ईजाद किया है, तामीर किया है इन्होंने ये हस्पताल, बट इसकी फैसिलिटी नहीं है। ये देखिए आप इन रोडों का हाल क्या है, यहाँ पे जो ड्रेनेज है उसका भी हाल बदतर है। यहाँ कुछ फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं है।
तो अगर आपके घर में कोई बीमार होता है या आपको मेडिसिन चाहिए होते हैं तो आप कहाँ जाते हैं, क्या करते हैं?
यहाँ से कम 5 किलोमीटर दूर है JVC हॉस्पिटल, हमें वही जाना पड़ता है।
और यहाँ पे अगर आपको जैसे दवाई वगैरह के लिए कोई डिस्पेंसरी या कुछ कोई भी ऐसी फैसिलिटी है यहाँ पर?
वो 1.5 किलोमीटर जाना पड़ता है। खुमानी चौक हमें मिलता है दवाई कुछ, अगर मिली तो ठीक, नहीं मिली तो।
Arshid Hussain Akhun is one such resident of Rakhiarat who was relocated 4 years ago. Since then, he has not only lost his source of consistent income, but also struggles to provide regular treatment for his ill son.
मे बच्चे बेमार, अमिस नाम मोहसिन हुसैन आखुन, यह बहवोर, अमिस प्रॉब्लम दिमाग प्रॉब्लम। ये मे बेमार गसान अ प्रॉब्लम गसान, अ डॉक्टर कहें कहीं, ये टोटली हस्पताल कहें। सोर युथ वातान घर वापस, पे ग 5-7 दह 8 दह, यह गसान बे बेमार, पे पेवान बे नुन ऊर। ये कहीं ती फैसिलिटी ये डॉक्टर मान डिस्पेंसरी मन दोप हस्पताल सह दूर। अ प्रॉब्लम, ट्रांसपोर्ट पानस कहें, पोस अगर नसान प्रॉब्लम तम पेवान तेल इथे कनी लगान दह तेल सोर वातानस, पैदली गसान पे
15 किलोमीटर हस्पताल दूर सोवरा। पेवान ये अगर गाड़ खसो 4 गाड़ बदलान, मे गसान यह बचत अजाब। पे पेवान ऑटो करान, ऑटो वोल तौर योर 100-200 रुपये रिटर्न।
The child right now is 11 years old. Currently, his diagnosis stands as cerebral palsy with mental retardation with kernicterus. And this thing has cerebral palsy. It is a medical condition. It is a CNS abnormality, and this child has developed this because of neonatal jaundice, which is usually seen in the children or the neonates in initial days of life. If it is neglected, then it can lead to serious complication, and one of this complication was post-kernicterus Crignon-Najjar syndrome type 1. I don't know the antenatal and the birth history of this child, but this could be probably the cause of his current condition right now.
Semi-constructed sub-center and a primary health center in Rakhiarat is minimally equipped to handle the very basic medical requirements only. The seriously ill patients or medical emergencies are referred to their tertiary centers in Srinagar.
So the health facilities what we are giving at the sub-center right now here are the basic facilities like the ANC checkups we are doing to the pregnant ladies, antenatal checkups. We are supposed to give 5 antenatal checkups at different timings. My workers know at what time they are supposed to be done on the pregnant lady.
So, would you like to explain about the hospital that has been under construction for now, I think 3 years from what
Almost
I have been.
3 years. The hospital is almost ready. Because of the COVID, we were dealing with the emergencies in the district, because this is the Srinagar district which is having the maximum of the COVID patients, because the patients, COVID patients, are referred from other districts also to Srinagar, being the capital city. So we are considering shifting this center to the new center, to the new upcoming building. So although that has not been handed over to the medical, to the directory, it is to be, the formalities have to be completed. After that only we can shift this center. Once the formalities are completed,
If there is an emergency at the middle of the night, what option does a person who's living here has?
he has to go to the PSC, because this is functioning up from 10 to 4 only.
And PHC works from?
PSC also works from 10 to 4. Then he has to go to the CHC.
And where is CHC?
It's just 2 to 3 kilometers away from here. Yeah. Actually, this is a primary health center. It's a health and wellness center. We provide here the comprehensive primary services, which includes immunization, ANC services, treatment of the minor ailments like respiratory tract infections, UTIs, and all that. If we feel that the patient has any complication or the patient has any other disease, then we usually refer those patients to the PSC.
Is there an ambulance facility?
No, there is no ambulance.
The locals also complain that the unhygienic conditions is the reason why they suffer from many chronic and communicable diseases. From the looks of it, this much-hyped rehabilitation locality has a long way to go before it can become the model colony it promised to be.